Hey guys, Cam Plotner here at B&R Auto Repair, Sterling, Illinois. I'm here with Hunter Pearson. He's our new guy. Hunter started this Monday and we threw him right into working on our shop truck. Those that have followed us on the Redline Dyno Center page did see this thing put down some pretty horribly weak numbers. This truck is a 2022 F-150. It comes with the 5.0. This is the E85 truck, so it does have dual fuel rails on it. So we've got a total of 16 injectors on the truck. So we ended up going with the Whipple 3.0. This supercharger system is rated at 775 horse based on just a stock 5.0, and that's with the single fuel rail system. This truck being on E85, we are really hoping to get more out of it. We're going to get a barrel of E85R and hit it on 93 and hit it on E85 on our dyno to see exactly the difference. But Hunter's going to tell you a little bit about the kit, what he did as far as that goes, and then I'll come back in and give you a little bit of touch point on what I've seen so far just driving the truck on the first day.
So basically, we had to come in and take the whole intake out to put the supercharger in there. We had to take the front grill off to put the radiator in there because it's all liquid cooled versus being air cooled. We obviously had to put a new air intake onto it and put all new injectors and stuff in there too. And it was a fun project.
So, I only had probably about an hour to drive the truck so far today. Gonna take it home, bring it back tomorrow, probably toy around in the dyno a little bit. So far, what I've seen after filling up with 93 octane, actually shockingly surprised. We actually gained gas mileage, about 1.7 just driving around the city. Once I get it on the interstate and we put it in the Ford's version of Super Cruise, we'll actually be able to test it out and see exactly what the Whipple tune did for our fuel mileage on the highway. But I'm pretty impressed with that as far as that goes. Power is absolutely insane. This truck has no business being this fast at this stage, but I'm really excited to push this platform further. I really think that it's not going to take long or many more things for us to get 4 digits horsepower. It's actually really, really impressive. So stay tuned, guys. We will be posting up Draggy videos. Anybody that doesn't know what a Draggy is, it's a little box that goes in the truck, plugs into the OBD2. This box actually will let us see what we're going to run 1/8 mile, 0 to 60, 60 to 130, and 1/4 mile, things like that. So we're also going to be coming up with a follow-up video of that, and we're also going to be posting a video of this thing back on the dyno, doing a little before and after. So thank you guys so much for your support. Keep on following.